My name is Silokena Smata. I'm a project manager at Palm Scots. Palm Scots was founded in 2002, but diversified into the clean cooking segment in 2020. We saw that there was no alternative to charcoal, especially in Lusaka's townships. We decided to search for perfect solution. Eventually, we settled for a biomass stove, which eventually, I think if you look at the value propositions, it suits our target market in terms of affordability, easy over manufacture. So that was one of our greatest achievements, just to settle for the perfect product. We've done a bit of market research, sold a few of our products, got customer feedback, which we've integrated into our business model. Affordability is one of the biggest barriers for clean cooking sector. Most of our competitors offer clean solutions. They may not be affordable to the target customer. So the biomass gasifier technology offers a product that is affordable, a product that is locally manufactured from waste product, a product that is easy to market to current charcoal users. There's a lack of awareness of alternatives to charcoal, especially in the high-density townships. They know a few like LPG, but when you talk about gasifier technologies, you have to start from scratch with your marketing. So we're busy developing marketing tools that are easy to explain in local languages in the form of brochures. The second challenge has been accessibility. Our products are not found close to our customers, and we're planning to set up shops so that our customers don't have to walk long distances to find a place to buy our products. First milestone, of course, was to pick the right product that was suitable for our target market. Second milestone was to put our products on the market. We've managed to sell a few of our stoves to be able to get feedback from our customers, set up business proposal, business plans, and start looking for potential investors. It's been very educative, very supportive. We've learned a lot about our business, how we can improve our business. Our business models are very different from the first time we encountered them. Currently, we're doing a mentorship with GrowthAfrica. We've learned a lot about customer segmentation, value propositions of our products and services, and how to make our business more efficient. When we saw that our objectives matched their objectives, we saw that these were the people that we could work with to overcome the barriers, not just the financing barriers, looking for investors, but also to make our business model more refined and more successful. We've learned so much about customer profiling, value propositions, refine our business model. All of that shall be incorporated into our business processes. We hope to have grown, to have scaled up, not just in Lusaka, but to other provinces, maybe even crossed borders, with processes in place, with procedures in place, very strong management, well-trained personnel. It will be very easy to scale up. It's not a secret that charcoal is unsustainable. In 5 to 10 years' time, I can tell you that people won't be using charcoal. Once we avail our products, it will give an opportunity to our government to tighten the screws on charcoal burning and deforestation. we're encouraging budding entrepreneurs to join the A2C program. There is a lot to learn from this program. There is a lot that needs to be done in this fight against charcoal. Charcoal is on the way out, and as it goes out, it will leave a huge gap. And that gap has to be filled in by a very sustainable business, a very sustainable cooking solution. There is an African proverb which says that it takes a whole village to eat up an elephant. So what we are eating up is just a small part of the elephant.